What's up guys, this is Fajinio. Hope you guys are doing well. So today in this video I'm going to do a review of Boya's BY-M1 3.5mm condenser microphone. So this is the Boya's BY-M1 3.5mm condenser microphone. So if you guys are new to my channel, then I do tech reviews, how-to videos for tech and also travel videos. So consider subscribing so that you don't miss on future updates. So let's get right into our review. As always, all the links for this microphone and all the gears I use are in the description below, so you guys can check it out and buy if you guys want to buy the similar things that I use in my YouTube. For the rest of this video, I'll be using this microphone so that you can figure out how the quality is. You guys can decide whether or not you like this microphone and whether or not to buy this microphone. So I have successfully installed this microphone. It's omnidirectional condenser microphone, which means that it collects sound from one position, one direction, and over here collects sound from near its source. It can be used with DSLR cameras, mobile phones, and also laptops and other audio recorders such as Zoom H1n and so on. Because high quality audio is really important for YouTube video or any other videos. That's why this lavalier microphone, it is one of the most popular mic for YouTubers and also other content creators. It also has got this windshield over here so that you don't have this puff noise when it's near to your mouth. For using with DSLR, you need to have a battery. Here I have a battery inside this, and the battery is LR44 battery. Battery is needed only in case of DSLR and other things, but in the case of smartphones, you can just switch it to smartphone mode and you don't even need a battery, and you can just plug into smartphone like this iPhone I have. So why do you need a lavalier mic? A lavalier mic can be a very good addition to your YouTube, as you don't have to stay very close to your camera. For example, I have this Rode Video Micro placed on top of this camera, but it can't be extended too long, and if I need to have good audio, then I need to go very close to this camera like over here. But with this lavalier mic, I can stay more far away from camera, and the cable length is 6 meters, so it's very long, and you can stay as much far away from camera as you want. It is also good for interview shots where you need to place your subject a bit far away from camera. In some cases, if you need to hide the microphone, then it can also be placed inside the actor's cloth and you will not even realize that the microphone is over there. It can also be used in combination with audio recorders such as Zoom H1n, which will make this lavalier mic as wireless microphone. If you need to stay a bit away from your camera and do a lot of things such as unboxing and other things, but still need decent audio, then you can use this or any other similar audio recorders and use this lav mic and use it as a wireless microphone, and always you can sync your audio and video in post so that you will still have a decent audio. You can also use this microphone to make tutorial videos, as you can just clip it inside your shirt or t-shirt and don't worry about placing your mouth near your microphone and just focus on what you are doing. I have been using this Boya microphone for more than a year and I'm very satisfied with it. You can see me using this microphone in a lot of my YouTube videos. I also took this microphone when I was hiking in Nepal, and because it's so light, you don't feel that you are even carrying this microphone. So I bought this microphone around 29 or 30 Australian dollars, which is around 19 USD. But this mic can be found in more cheaper prices nowadays. I'll give the link for all the cheaper price in the description below so you guys can check it out. Given its price, it performs really decently and gives a decent audio. It cannot be as great as $100 microphone, but hey, it gets the job done. So I'm really happy and satisfied that I have added this mic to my YouTube studio collection. You can also use it with any other audio interfaces because you are provided with this audio plug. Because it has a battery, you need to check before you record, otherwise sometimes there might be cases where you set it to smartphone mode and you forgot to turn it to camera mode, and there will be no audio in your video. So all the technical specifications will be listed in the description below, so you guys can take a look and see whether it fits your purpose. So I haven't faced any issues with this microphone yet. I'm very happy that I bought this microphone and highly recommend it. So my recommendation for this microphone is that you can use this microphone depending upon your needs, because lavalier microphones are small and compact size. For example, Rode Video Micro can be good for vlogging purposes because it's on top of this camera, but when you are just sitting to be a little bit far away from camera, then this Boya BY-M1 3.5mm lab mic is very good. I highly recommend this mic. So there you go guys, review of this Boya BY-M1 microphone. If you guys like my video, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.